Hi guys, and welcome back to class. Today we're going to start off class with creating a pie chart. Based on the text that you have studied, what factors shape the experience of love? So the factors or the tabs that we're going to have in our pie chart is brain chemistry, emotions, social norms, and something else that you name. Your choice here. You're creating a pie chart that's indicating the percentage of each factor as you see it that affects the experience of love. Now I'm going to give you guys an example of a pie chart. Just in case you don't know how to draw that, this is an example of a pie chart. So you're going to tell me what percentage you think each one of these relates to the experience of love. This is your opinion. For those of you who are at home, you'll draw your pie chart and upload it into the system as we do our assignments. You could take a picture of it and put it inside, or you can create it on the document. Now looking at our focusing question. What defines the experience of love? In our content framing question in our know stage says, how do modules text build my knowledge of love? Let's look at the two paintings side by side that we've been looking at. We've got the Arnold Feeney portrait and the birthday. I'm going to have both of these inside of Schoology for you guys to click on. And so we've got the Arnold Feeney. That's this painting here. And then we also have the birthday painting. And this is the birthday painting. So this is the Arnold Feeney and this is the birthday painting. Now we're going to compare the two paintings. What similarities and differences do you notice between these paintings' depictions of the experience of love? And I have some sentence stems here for you guys to help you get to those answers. Then I want us to look back at our welcome task from this morning. Focus on the purpose of the discussion and listen for a speaker's logic. I want you to share your pie charts with someone and come up with an evidence-based claim that explains why you chose the greatest influence of what defines the experience of love. So for example, if you guys choose brain chemistry to be 75%. I want you to give me a claim as to why is your choice the greatest influence on what defines the experience of love. And remember, an evidence-based claim is two sentences. It's your claim and your evidence behind why you believe one of these is more fit towards the experience of love. Now we're going to take part in a quick write. Does this argument convince anyone to change their corner and join this group? So in the discussion board, when everyone changed or wrote down their pie charts, does anyone's pie chart stick out to you that makes more sense? Write a paragraph that explains what you believe has the greatest influence on the experience of love. Present your claim in your first sentence and your reason in the second sentence, and then develop your claim and reason with two pieces of evidence from any of the module's text that we've read so far. This should be a 4 to 5 sentence paragraph that argues the strongest influence of the experience of love. Now I want you guys to choose one of the couples that we've been reading about from A Midsummer Night's Dream, and I want you to sketch the couple in the style of either the Arnold Feeney portrait or the birthday portrait. Choose the style that is more relevant to the experience of love between the couples in the play. So if you choose this portrait, and remember we talked about how this portrait showed that maybe they really didn't like each other, maybe it was an arranged marriage, then you would need to pick a character or a couple from the play that represents what's going on here and draw it out. Then I want you to independently brainstorm a list of the top 4 things that you have learned about what defines the experience of love from the text that we've read so far in this module. To end this lesson, for our content framing question, in our know stage, how do module's texts build my knowledge of love? For tonight's homework, you guys need to read Act 3, Scene 1, lines 1 through 106 of Midsummer Night's Dream, and you need to annotate for key details, and also continue your fluency homework. Now on to our vocabulary deep dive. This is our conditional verb mood, and we've talked about that before. I want you guys to look at what would have convinced you to change your mind to another corner. So what would have convinced you to go to someone else's idea of what was a more percentage? How might the conditional verb mood help you express your understanding of what the experience of love is? And how could you misuse the conditional verb mood? Then I want you to stop and jot 3 to 4 sentences that reveal the second most influential factor you chose, and to use the conditional verb mood at least once in your response. Then revise your responses about the second most influential factor to the experience of love, paying close attention to your use of the conditional verb mood. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's lesson. If you guys need any help, once again, office hours are Monday through Friday, 11:22 to 12:06. See you then if you need that help. Bye-bye.